Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into our comprehensive 2025 guide on how to use Monday.com as a CRM. First up, you need to set up your workspace. Now you might wonder why this is so important. Well, a well-organized workspace helps you keep track of all your customer interactions effectively. In Monday.com, you can do this by clicking on the Add button at the left-hand corner, then select Workspace. Now that we've done that, the next step is to create a board. This is where you'll manage all your leads and customer data. Just click on the Add button again, but this time choose Board. You can choose a template or start from scratch. This is critical because it allows for easy and efficient management of your customer relationships. The third step is to customize your board columns to suit your CRM needs. The beauty of Monday.com lies in its flexibility. Click on the Column Center button and add fields like name, contact info, status, last contact, and so on, based on your business requirements. This helps us because it ensures we have all necessary information about our leads and customers at our fingertips. Next up, let's talk about automations. Monday.com offers a range of automation options that can streamline your CRM processes. For example, you can set an automation to change a lead status to contacted once an email is sent. To do this, click on the Automation Center button, select or create your desired automation, and hit Add to Board. The reason we do this is to save time and reduce the possibility of human error in our CRM processes. Now, don't forget about integrations. Monday.com allows you to integrate with various apps like Gmail, Zoom, Slack, and more. This will enable you to manage your customer interactions within a single platform. To integrate, click on the Integration Center button, choose your desired app, and follow the prompts to connect it. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. These integrations are pulling data from your chosen app and aligning it with your Monday.com workspace for seamless operations. And finally, use the dashboard function to get a comprehensive view of your CRM activities. This will help you track progress, recognize trends, and make data-driven decisions. You can set this up by clicking on the Add button and selecting Dashboard. And there you have it. Now you know how to use Monday.com as a CRM tool. By following these steps, you'll have a more organized, automated, and integrated approach to managing your customer relationships. Remember, the key to effective CRM is not just the tool, but how you use it. So go ahead, give it a shot, and see the difference it makes to your business. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next tutorial.